Hi, my name is Michelle Amo. I'm a fashion blogger, a visual artist, and I love to create everything fashion and art. I was so amazed that Asia Clarke was sharing her craft with us, because I was like, what if somebody else does it? But it's more than that. You have to have love for it. And when I look at her art, I see love in her work. And so this cannot be copied. It comes from the heart.
Well, I didn't know what to expect, so I came in with like no idea. And we sit at the table, and then I look at all the sculptures and all the pictures, and I was like, okay, this is nice. And then we started with the braiding, and starting from there, I was like, yeah, this is very a nice way to, I think, express and extend my hair. My friend asked me, did you get inspiration? And I was like, I'm gonna use my own hair as inspiration. So yeah, this is what I got.